Apple have been underperforming. The tech skepticals and analysts are saying that Samsung and Huawei foldable phone will ruin Apple forever.
It's a tablet offering a big screen experience. Thank you.
The new foldable phone was revealed, and it was not from Apple. So far, Apple have not responded. The question is, will Apple survive? Cut the nonsense. Apple don't need foldable phone. Here's why. Apple have everything you can get from foldable phone. Literally everything. Apple also have high quality smartphones. Some people might say it's an overpriced device, but most of the top smartphones nowadays cost around that same price. And they don't even have their own operating system. Apple have iOS, and Apple upgrade constantly their iOS. Furthermore, Apple smartphones are very reliable. I still have my own iPhone 6 and it's still working well, and they keep upgrade that. There's no smartphone that can beat Apple in the reliability department. An iPhone or just a premium smartphone have everything you can get from the foldable phone. If you want a big display, you can just get a tablet. Also, Apple has the best tablet in the market, or the best tablet ever made, and it does not lag at all. Remember the reliability department. My first iPad still worked with no insurance, and it was the first iPad ever being released. So, a smartphone being foldable is not really a bargain when user can just get an iPad or iPhone. The new iPad quality is just through the roof. It's even faster than a lot of computers. There's a lot of things you can do with the iPad that you cannot do with the foldable devices. Aside from that, the smartphone industry is reached maturity. Almost everyone already have a smartphone. Still, I can see what innovation can those companies come up with. However, Apple managed to come up with amazing earphone or AirPod. The Apple AirPod connects faster than most of earphones out there in the market. It also synchronizes very well. Cherry on top, it looks elegant and well designed. The demand for this earphone is really high at the moment that people cannot find in the store sometimes. I might sound like an Apple fanboy, but let's be honest, with what you might spend on foldable phone, there are better alternatives. From price point of view, a foldable phone that costs more than $2,000 is far from being Apple competition. Price-wise, with $2,000, you can have an iPad Pro and the iPhone X or any premium smartphone you desire. At the moment, foldable phones are a statement, not a product. The question is, what's the purpose of foldable phones? I just can see which demographic or public are they trying to appeal. They look good, I admit. They look really good. But what's their purpose? Is it for map navigation? Most likely you don't need that much screen for a map unless you are work for Uber. And if you are work for Uber, there's no way you can afford that smartphone. The purpose for that smartphone does not even appeal to the readers because Android doesn't have a good track record with the paperless community. People that are trying to go paperless, they prefer iPad instead of Android tablet. Is it just a smartphone with a big digital display? I don't think most of people will need that much display in a smartphone. If you want a device with a small display, you get a smartphone. If you want something closer but with big display, you get a tablet. And that's where foldable phone won't be able to compete with Apple. Price-wise and tech-wise, the combination of iPhone and iPad is still more appealing than a foldable phone.